Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to build a gas detector using an MQ135 gas sensor. So, let's get started. Here I have an Arduino Uno, LCD display, MQ135 gas sensor and jumper wires. I've made the circuit diagram in Pro Tools to understand the connection easily. This is the pin diagram of the MQ135 gas sensor. Now I'm connecting the components according to the circuit diagram. Connecting Arduino with the computer and uploading the program. So let's test it. When the gas level will be greater than 500, then the buzzer will sound and the LED will be turned on. That means it detected the presence of gas in the air. The normal gas level is less than 500 when there is no gas in the air. So that's it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe